Also, when you said for the day planning,
Yeah.
the very first thing that hit my mind was automation.
Yeah.
So now again, this
Exactly.
term of automation is like booming. People are not aware what exactly is automation. So just saying, hey Siri, do this for me. Hey Alexa, put on the lights. So it's a lot of misconception that people have.
Yeah.
And because of the demand, builders have started providing automation, maybe in living room, maybe one of the master bedroom. But is this solving the purpose? People love to see automation, the light effects, the slow motion opening curtains. They love to see it,
Yeah.
but they are not aware what kind of automation is really required.
Yeah.
So awareness is equally important, and I would also say developers they provide half solutions.
Yeah, they
It's
do.
better you do not provide.
Yeah, because
It's better.
No, you know what it is, and you're absolutely right. It is just what do you call it? A bait,
Yeah.
right? When you've gone fishing, you know that the fish is going to look at automation and bite.
But
And that fish bites, and then the developers doing this is just one of those things. And I really wish customers could understand that all of these are gimmicks, and they should start thinking deeper about what the actual offering by the developer is. And if they are giving automation, they should be asking कि आप full automation दो, या तो मत दो, या तो
major concern, Indian markets are very much they value money over the services. So this is the challenge. I think you as a developer, like you said, the gimmick behind putting the bait.
No, so we don't do automation in our homes.
So
I'm selling a 2 crore rupee home without automation. There are customers who will come and ask me, why
that's
aren't you doing
perfectly all right, I would say, as a designer, because I don't know what should I do with the half automation where the client is not clear about it. If the automation agency has to come, he's not clear about what code should I provide.
True, and that's why when customers come and ask us, why aren't you doing automation? We're like, because the people who are doing it are doing it for so cheap that either that automation is going to go bad in 6 months,
right,
or they're giving you a half solution which you're going to have to scrap anyway.
And each and every client is with that fear. No, yaar, automation. फिर 6 महीने में कुछ खराब हो गया, कौन operate करेगा? This is the question.
Video over phone thing.
I don't know how much does that work.
It's a complete scam. Now you have three-tier security. You have MyGate. You have two guards. That any
This
new
is just
person
the fashion which has come up. What all facilities or accessories you're providing, I would say it's like that.
So these are all gimmicks, I feel, and I'm sure, and I'm confident that my customer looks through it. Hopefully, whoever's watching this also, if they're not seeing through it, they should. But I think most of our customers see through this gimmicky offering that developers are giving today.
I think same automation can be played and used in very different ways, in very organized way.
Yeah.
But more deep studies are required. Every single day there is some new automation guy coming up. We've come up with new system. We've come up with new. But I don't know how many of them really work. So systems is amazing, but it has to be very well planned.
Yeah. I think the good ones. I believe in this thing called first principles thinking. What first principle thinking does is it breaks down the problem into many
multiple small parts. Yeah,
and then it starts building it again, stacking it up, and building a solution. What we usually find is when you break down a problem into some small parts and then you start assembling it again, the solution is always usually an innovative one that you couldn't have thought if you not broken down.
Yeah.
So I think in design, one must use this whole first principles theory to understand the problem deeply so that we can find innovative solutions.
Very true. Very true.